now for the ultimate test. Let's see if that noise is still there. Nice and quiet. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a quick video on the LX570 with this stuff. If you remember in one of the old videos, I was showing you how these are rattly. I've tried everything as far as like taking them off, resetting the little retainer ring and all that stuff, and they're still all rattly. Every single one of them, all four, on all four corners. And I usually drive with the windows up, but lately I tried driving with the windows down a few times as the weather's starting to cool down. We're getting down into the mid-90s here in Texas instead of 110. And what I noticed is as I'm driving, these things are just rattling around, making all sorts of racket. And at first I thought it was something else that was causing the noise. And then I narrowed it down to these things. You should try that on your LX570. If you have a 2016, a 2021, drive around with the windows down, like next to a fence or something like that, and see if you hear something like this. And if you do, it's probably these stupid caps. So I had two choices. One, try to put tape around the rim of it, like, oh, there it is. Oops. Try to put tape around the edge of this thing, like some people suggested. And as you can see, there's no broken clips, which drives me nuts. No broken clips or nothing, and it still makes all that racket. Anyway, one of the options was to put tape around this thing, put it back in, and would hold itself tight. If you want to keep them, that's one option. Take some electrical tape, wrap it around the outside edge of this, maybe 3-4 layers, and put it back in, and hopefully that's enough to keep it from rattling. The other option that I found out from another forum member was that there's another center cap that is included on the LX570s as a different option that are sold overseas. We don't have the center cap in the US. If you have an LX570 in another country, apparently, there's two kinds of center caps. You've got the little Starfish one, and you've got a standard round one. Same exact wheels, different center cap. I didn't know this. So, you can see different, right? Here's the part number. I'm gonna put the link down in the description. I bought them off of eBay because you can't buy them from the dealerships in the US apparently, or maybe you can, I don't know. There's the part number. I'll put the part number down in the description. I'll put links to where I purchased them so you can purchase them as well if you want. They came from a seller in Japan. He shipped them very quickly. I got them within about a week. Part number is 4260B-60390. Now, if we compare the backs, obviously different. You've got 4 tabs on this one, retainer ring in the middle, and 5 tabs on that one. Then you've got all the different gizmos that put the star together. So, let's see. This is the first one. I just opened it, and hopefully it fits and it doesn't look goofy. Okay. All right, looks like it fits. These wheels are really dirty. You see the difference, obviously, in the way it looks because the wheels are super dirty. And this one wheel is the one that's driving me nuts. It had some curb rash on it when I bought this truck. I don't know. It's not deep enough to replace the wheel, and the wheels aren't bent. Might get somebody to come out and just refinish them on the driveway, or maybe if I can just find somebody selling their used LX570 wheels or some takeoffs, maybe I'll do that. Anyway, so here it is. This guy, just press it in. Oops. Oh, might need 2 hands. I'll be right back. Boom, there it is. Look at that. Doesn't rattle, doesn't shake. I don't have that star to cover up all the lugs. I mean, I don't know. Should I put these back on and just put some tape around them? It'll grow on me, I think. I don't mind the lugs being exposed. I mean, even on a Mercedes, you still got the holes in the lugs. Is this really necessary? Okay, I'm gonna go replace the rest of them. The next one, grab. Normally, if I wasn't holding a camera, I would put a plastic pry tool here and then pop it out from that side. Just trying to be gentle. There we go. There's the new one. Let's get this on. Boom, done. Much cleaner with this one. Okay, I'm starting to like the little one. Oh, I got no space over here. I'm up against the side wall of the garage. Not much room over here. Boom, that one's in. One more. All right, last one. And that's it. That's the fourth one. I'm gonna put these on a shelf just in case I ever want to go back to them. All right. Far away shot. How does it look? Yeah, I like these. Yeah, they look pretty good. I'm happy with those. And now I don't have any stupid rattling sound. And one more benefit, you know, whenever you want to take the wheels off with those Starfish looking ones, that center cap had to come off. So if you take your car to Discount Tire or anywhere else and they're rotating your wheels or balancing them, the dealership, or swapping out tires, they had to mess with that center cap. More than likely, as it comes off and on and off and on, it's going to loosen up, it's going to break. But these don't have to come off. Another benefit. I like it. I'm happy with it. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Part numbers, links down in the description. Love y'all. I'll see you next time. All right, first glance coming back. Yeah, they look good. I like them. I'm gonna keep those. Yeah, those Starfish ones look silly now. These look way better. Now for the ultimate test. Let's see if that noise is still there. Nice and quiet. You know, that rattling sound was driving me absolutely nuts. I had no idea what it was from. I knew those hubcaps were rattling, just touching them, but the way it sounded when I was driving, it almost sounded like something in the drivetrain or the axle stubs or something like that was rubbing or loose. Would have never thought it was those silly hubcaps. Now, my truck doesn't sound like a bag of rocks going down the road. Every time I picked up the kids from school, it's just like, you know, whatever that rattling sound is. I just probably did a real disservice. That didn't sound like it, but you get the point. Noise is gone. I'm happy. Let's get these windows up. It is hot in here. Oh, and Apple CarPlay. If you got one of these 2016 to 2021 LX570s, check out my other video on how to get Apple CarPlay installed. Only takes maybe an hour and a half to install the retrofit kit. You get to keep all your factory screen and factory functions, and it just integrates right in. And it supports both CarPlay and Android Auto. Really cool stuff. All right, I'll let you go now. Bye-bye.